Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit language preferences on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and after that you should tap on the home button. Tap on the Your Profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on My Profile. Then you should go to this Your Info section at the top of the screen. Then scroll down to the Language Info section. Here you can find the display language, which is now set to English, but you can select another one from the list or either by typing in its name into the search bar and then tap on it or click on the Change Display Language button. Then you can also set your preferred languages if you tap on the Add the Language button, click on the Add Language button and click on Done. And you can also set the regional formats, including the date format and the time format as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.